One pot, one recipe, and a lot of memories. So welcome guys to my channel. Here we go, we are cooking chicken adobo. This is the recipe I used when I share on community center in our place. So I bought 1 kilo of chicken, washed and cut into small pieces. You can trim the fats from the skin so at least it's not so oily. That's what I also do. How about the chicken feet? For me, I also include it into a dish because it's nice. I just remove as well those need to remove that you don't want to see on your dish. Okay, so maybe perhaps we will cook another version of adobo. Chicken feet adobo. Let's try this, and I know it's very nice as well. I hope you will wait for that ingredients or how I cook. Okay, so this is our garlic. I'll just crush it. Chop onions into small pieces. Lovely, this is our ingredients. Of course, our 1 kilos of chicken, half a cup soy sauce, 1/4 cup vinegar, 1 cup water, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 2 tablespoon oil, 1 tablespoon sugar, 2 to 3 bay leaves, and salt to taste. Okay, lovelies, let's do the cooking, and this is our procedure. Number 1, we heat the oil in a pan over medium heat. When the wok is hot, okay, and the garlic onions already in, we'll just mix it up and to have an aromatic smell because that mix give more taste on our adobo. Okay, best. So this is our chicken, 1 kilo. We are going to put in and just mix it together. After mixing, leave it for 10 minutes to make it brown color. Of course, we need to cover. After that, you'll see our chicken is boiling, even though we haven't put any water because the chicken absorbed the water. Let it brown all the sides of the chicken and cover it. This builds flavors even without marinating. Pour 1 cup of water into the pan to help tenderize the chicken as it cooks. Next, pour in the soy sauce and vinegar. Leave it. Don't mix yet. Leave for 3 to 5 minutes to remove the raw vinegar taste. Add bay leaves and black pepper. Stir gently to mix everything. Best, cover and simmer for 30 to 40 minutes or until the chicken tender and the sauce is slightly reduced. Add more water if needed. Add the sugar, black pepper, and salt to taste. Best, continue cooking until the sauce thickens and becomes glossy. And that's it. Off the fire and serve while it's still hot and with rice. Thank you for watching. Like and share, sunshine.